Good day everyone, this is William from Wecare Probiotics, and today I will introduce you something about probiotics, especially Bacillus coagulans, as well as its market and applications, and I will call it BC for short hereinafter. There are three parts. The first one is a brief introduction of the market and application trends of BC. As you can see from the chart, the immune health products have increased a lot in 2020. The portion and the growth rate of dietary supplement is still the highest. Here are the most popular top 10 probiotic strains. Lactobacillus acidophilus is still the number one, but the BC increased the most. So now, Bacillus coagulans is the most potential strain among the all. The annual growth rate of the BC compound is around 20% among the applications. The drinks is top 1, which is followed by snacks, supplements, cereal, and etc. This chart indicates that the United States consumes BC products the most, and the followings are Australia, UK, Canada, Japan, Mexico, and so on. The next part is the details about the Bacillus coagulans. The first I'd like to introduce about is its physiological characteristics. Number 1. BC is more likely to exert its probiotic role in the intestinal tract than traditional live probiotics due to its ability to produce spores. A BC can survive from the stomach in the form of spores and germinate in the intestine, thereby exerting its probiotic effect. Number 2. Due to its spores, it has strong resistance to acid, bile salt, and high temperature, and also easy storage. Number 3. Bacillus coagulans can produce its naturally occurring antibiotics, such as lectin, lactic acid, amino acid, digestive enzymes, etc. Number 4. The growth conditions. Its optimum growth temperature is 30 to 55 degrees Celsius, and its optimum pH is close to 6. This chart shows the mechanism of action of the Bacillus coagulans. Step 1. Spores get into the body orally and safely transit across through the stomach, and the first phase will take about 3 hours. And step 2. After passing through the stomach, spores begin to germinate in duodenal and proliferate in the upper part of the small intestine. And step 3. Living bacterium will travel down to the large intestine and sporulate in the lower part. Here shows the heat resistance of Bacillus coagulans. And we have done the dry heat resistance test at 120 to 150 degrees Celsius, and also the water baths at 80 degrees Celsius. And it still has a high survival rate, so it can be used in food with heat treatment like jelly, jammy, chocolate, and etc. As we all know that the stomach acid is a very harsh environment, our Bacillus coagulans has a high survival rate in stomach. So Bacillus coagulans is allowed to go into the stomach, survive the stomach acid, and get into your intestines to do the good that it was made to do. As to stability, stability is an industry challenge in terms of probiotics. The reason is that probiotic bacteria must be alive when consumed, according to the definition of probiotics. The Bacillus coagulans has very high stability from the testing report, as you can see above, and it can be used in many kinds of products and more convenient for both transportation and storage. As to its functions, Bacillus Coagulans has mainly focused on the prevention and treatment of gastrointestinal tract disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS for short, and antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and inflammatory bowel disease. So, in general, it inhibits pathogenic bacteria and regulates our intestinal flora. It can also enhance our immunity and reduce inflammation, and metabolize enzymes and promote digestion. And here's a dosage that we can refer to. The next part is about the application of probiotics in snack food. Probiotics can be applied in many different kinds of snack food, such as probiotic puffs, probiotic potato chips, popcorns, jammy, milk tablet, chocolate, and so on in the below pictures as we can see. The last part is a brief introduction of our company, Wecare Probiotics. Wecare Probiotics is a manufacturing and trade combo which was founded in 2013, and we specialize in the development, production, and application of probiotic bacteria, intestinal flora, human health, and fermented food bacteria. We provide probiotic powder, food culture, probiotic products, and application solutions according to different demands. Now we have 2 factories with total annual capacity production of probiotic powder 230 tons and a probiotic dosage 3,000 tons. We focus on probiotic research and have very strong R&D teams, and we also have 4 probiotic R&D centers and 5 research technology platforms. At the same time, through the cooperation with many professional probiotics research institutions, which improves the scientific research strength and technical level of Wecare Probiotics. We have also obtained many certificates such as CGMP, Kosher, HALA, NOP, and so on. Probiotics have extensive applications according to different application fields. We can provide matching products containing probiotic powder, fermented food strains, probiotic preparations, probiotic fermented liquid, probiotic derivatives, feed additives, and so on. The probiotic powder and the preparation is the main categories. At present, there are 26 strains mainly promoted by Wecare, covering common lactobacillus, bifidobacterium, cocci, and streptococci on the market. We keep a regular stock for some strains in great demand, which can meet the requirements of 3 days delivery. The application covers food, healthcare products, medical products, cosmetic products, agricultural products, and other fields. In addition, in order to meet the needs of customers in different markets, we are also supplementing other very common strains. Relies on the mature patent preparation technology of Wecare, our patent strain has advantages of high stability, high temperature, acid, and salt resistance, and it has significant efforts in different functional directions. In addition, the research team of Wecare has developed more than 10 functional formula schemes according to different health demands, and we provide a variety of preparations, including granules, powders, tablets, and so on to meet the current market demand. So the last is our 2-year development plan, and Wecare Probiotics will become the world's leading professional probiotic base for strain research, production, application, and intelligent manufacturing. And thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact.